you ever done karaoke at a club or a bar? What's the first question you always ask when you're done?
So how'd I do?
Oh, really good.
Great.
Really? Yeah?
Yeah.
But how did you really sound? How do you know? Here's a little video that a friend took. That might help you.
That Arizona sky burning in your eye. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire.
Well, maybe not. Maybe it sounds good, maybe it doesn't sound good. How do you know how you sound out front? What's even more important, how do you know how you sound at all? How do you know how you might sound if somebody actually remixed it in a studio and made it sound as good as it could sound? Well, now you can. Welcome to RMK. R stands for record, K stands for karaoke, M stands for me. Record me karaoke. That's exactly what we do for you. You come to an RMK show, get up and sing your song, I'm going to record you, your voice, straight into the computer. I'm going to record the song you sang. I'm even going to record the audience and how they responded to you. Then I'm going to take the whole thing home. I'm going to enter it into the computer at my studio. I'm going to mix it all down for you just like the pros do. When I'm done, I'm going to send you an email with an MP3 of your performance, and you'll get to hear exactly what you sound like. Here at RMK, I take a basic recording of your voice that sounds something like this.
That Arizona sky burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire.
Then I take it back to my studio and I process it and I tweak it and I sprinkle some magic studio dust on it. When I'm done, it sounds something like this.
That Arizona sky burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire.
When I'm all done getting it so I like the way it sounds, I reconnect it with the music that you sang along to, and the two put together sound something like this.
That Arizona sky burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul like California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all choked up and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, poets trying to write. We don't know how to rhyme, but damn, we try.
So if you think an RMK show would be a lot of fun, and it's something you'd like to do, then please let the folks who run your local watering hole know about us, and hopefully I'll be able to visit your town real soon.
Good.
Great.
Really? Yeah?
Yeah. Look a lot like my wife.